Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's recipe is my favorite, meatball with spaghetti. I have tweaked this recipe in my own way and I'll show it to you in the process. So first I'm going to add 250 grams of mutton mince in a mixing bowl. Then I'll be adding 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Secret to having soft meatballs is breadcrumbs. Then I'm going to add half teaspoon of pepper. I've cut 1 onion and I've made it into 2 portions, so half I'm going to use it for the mince now. I've chopped 2 large cloves of garlic. I'm going to break in 1 egg. I'm going to add some chopped coriander, some salt as per taste, and now I'm going to mix this well. And don't forget to add some cheese. Well, I've taken cheddar cheese because I love the taste of cheddar. Well, most of them add Parmesan cheese, but I prefer cheddar. It's on your personal choice. And now mix it really well. And here we're done, guys. Now I'm going to shade them into medium-sized balls. I'm going to coat this meatball with some Maida, all-purpose flour, and pat the extra flour on it. And then I'm going to place it in a plate here. Same thing again. I'm gonna do the same with the rest. Time to cook some spaghetti now. I've already boiled some water. I'm gonna add the spaghetti in the boiling water now. I'm gonna add some salt in the water and some oil so the spaghetti doesn't stick. I'm gonna cook it completely. Some people prefer it al dente, that's 3/4 done, but I would personally prefer it's completely cooked. I'm going to check if the spaghetti is cooked. When the spaghetti starts looking white like this, you know it's done. I'm going to switch off the heat and I'm going to strain the excess water. I'm going to heat some oil in a deep vessel. If you have olive oil, that would work as well. So I'm going to toss in the meatballs and I'm going to fry them on each side for 2 minutes. Don't overcrowd the vessel. You don't have to cook them all the way through. You're gonna cook the marinara sauce as well, and in that the meatballs are gonna be cooked completely. So it's been 2 minutes now. I'm gonna turn the sides. So to make the meatballs, you can use either lamb meat, goat meat, or you can use beef. Alright, it's been 2 minutes, guys. I'm gonna take it off in a plate. And I'm gonna fry the rest now. Alright guys, I'm done frying the meatballs. Now let's do the marinara sauce. I'm gonna use the same vessel because it has the juices of the meatball in it. Alright, I'm gonna add some more oil. And then I'm gonna toss in the half onion that I chopped. Let's saute the onions well. You don't have to make them completely golden brown. Just saute it for a couple of minutes. And these are 2 garlic cloves chopped finely. I'm going to toss them as well. Saute it well. Alright guys, like I mentioned earlier, I had tweaked the recipe, like half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon garam masala, and 1 chicken cube. This is my twist to it. Fry the masala really well. The masalas have started leaving the oil. Now I'm gonna add, I made a puree of 3 tomatoes. I've boiled it in water and then I mashed it. And now I'm gonna add this in the pan as well. You can use canned tomatoes as well, you get them from the stores. I prefer the homemade one. Give it a nice stir, mix them all really well. To cook your tomatoes faster, I'm going to add some salt. Stir it well. I'm going to let this boil and then I'm going to add the meatballs in it. I've added around 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of oregano. Stir this all really well and let it come to a boil. Okay, you can see it's boiling. I'm going to toss in the meatballs. You can add another 1/4 cup of water if needed. I'm going to lower the heat. Mix this all really well. Be gentle, the meatball shouldn't break. I'm going to cover it with lid and let it cook for around 30 minutes. Keep stirring it in between. Alright guys, it's been 30 minutes. Let's have a check. This smells so good guys. I like extra spice in my food, so I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. And I'm gonna garnish it with some coriander. Give it a nice stir. I'm gonna switch off the flame. Now I've already strained the spaghetti here. Now there are 2 ways you can serve this spaghetti with meatballs. Either you can toss in all the spaghetti in the marinara sauce, give it a mix and then serve it piping hot. And there's another way of serving it. And I'm going to show you the second way while I plate it. I've already placed the spaghetti on the plate. Now I'm going to top it with some marinara sauce. And some meatballs. I'm going to garnish it with some cheese. I hope you guys liked our recipe. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And I'll see you next time guys.